Hello everyone, welcome to online class, subject physical education, class 11th, topic introduction of physical education. Dear students, before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you something about the physical education. These are the fact that you have to know and even we also have to know about these all facts. What these facts are? फिजिकल एजुकेशन का नाम जब भी आता है वी ऑल आर थिंकिंग दैट दिस इज़ वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट. नो डाउट, आई एम विद यू, इट्स वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट, बट easy means not that we have not take care about that. I'm taking an example here. Example is in nutrition micronutrients are there. Micro means छोटे nutrients जिनकी हमें ज़रूरत होती है लेकिन कम मात्रा में, like vitamins, minerals, 1 gram per day each. This much it is required. लेकिन ये रिक्वायरमेंट है. अगर कम रिक्वायरमेंट है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम कह दें कि हमें इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो दिस इज सिंपल फंडा दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू. वेदर इट इज़ ईजी और हार्ड, दिस इज नॉट अ मैटर. मैटर इज व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द एजुकेशन. सो प्लीज understand this. Now I am going to tell you what is the meaning of physical education. Physical education, when we are reading or listen this word, always we are concentrating on the ground or court only. But dear students, physical education is not only the play. If we will break this word and we want to find out the meaning of the physical education, then education, it means awareness, जागरूकता. फिजिकल मीन्स फिजिक्यू इज द शेप और साइज ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड CAL कल इट मीन्स रिलेटेड. इस बात को समझने के लिए हम एक और एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. ड्राइव इट मीन्स चलाना, ड्राइवर मीन्स चलाने वाला. फिजिक्यू मीन्स बॉडी और फिजिकल मीन्स रिलेटेड टू बॉडी. फिजिकल एजुकेशन इट मीन्स वो अवेयरनेस, वो जागरूकता जो हमें किसी ह्यूमन बॉडी के बारे में मिलती है. अब ह्यूमन बॉडी में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं, उसके अंदर जितनी भी चीज़ें आती हैं, जो भी कुछ हम फिजिकल एजुकेशन में सीखते हैं, उन सब के बारे में सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट द सिलेबस बाइफर्केशन. व्हाट इज द सिलेबस फॉर फिजिकल एजुकेशन? दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, चेंजिंग ट्रेंड्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन. Topic we will take meaning and definition of physical education, aims and objective of physical education, career option. पहले के ज़माने में कहावत थी, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब. Now here you can see this is the career option. In physical education we are having some career option also. Competition and various sports at national and international level. Khelo India program. These all are the program that is related to physical education. Here one more thing I would like to tell you. कुछ दिन पहले व्हाट्सएप पे एक फ़ोटो थी जिसके अंदर ऊपर वाली पिक में माँ अपने बच्चे को कान पकड़ के अंदर से बाहर लेके जा रही है. यानी वो अंदर टीवी और फ़ोन के साथ बैठा हुआ था, उसे कान पकड़ के बाहर लेके आ रही है और उसके ऊपर लिखा है मॉडर्न जनरेशन. नीचे एक पिक थी, उसके अंदर ओल्ड जनरेशन का लिखा हुआ था और उसमें बच्चे को माँ बाहर से पकड़ के अंदर लेके जा रही है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इस बात को हम समझें, समझने की कोशिश करें. खेलना और किसी भी चीज़ को सीखना, ये दोनों ही चीज़ें हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. करियर ऑप्शन इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन. मैनी करियर्स आर देयर इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन दैट वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज ओलंपिक वैल्यू एजुकेशन. जो ओलंपिक की वैल्यू है एजुकेशन में वो क्या है, उसमें कौन कौन से ओलंपिक्स हैं, डीफ ओलंपिक्स, स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत, पैरालंपिक्स, ओलंपिक्स, विंटर एंड समर ओलंपिक्स, इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी. दीज ऑल थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन दैट. नेक्स्ट इज फिजिकल फिटनेस, वेलनेस एंड लाइफस्टाइल. आज की दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा बूम जिस फील्ड में आने वाला है दैट इज फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस. फिजिकल फिटनेस, वेलनेस एंड लाइफस्टाइल, इन्हीं चीज़ों में सबसे बड़ा बूम आज हम देख रहे हैं. बिकॉज एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी फिट. बड़े बुजुर्गों ने भी कहा है, पहला सुख निरोगी काया. अगर हमारे पास बॉडी अच्छी है तो हम मनी अर्न कर सकते हैं कोई भी एजुकेशन कोई भी चीज़ सीख सकते हैं. बट इफ़ वी आर नॉट गुड, वी आर नॉट वेल, वी आर नॉट फिट, how we can learn? Brain will be dumb, it will not work. So this is the main theory of the world right now, how we can be the fit. In this chapter we'll learn what is the fitness, wellness and lifestyle component of these all. Next chapter it is physical education and sports for CWSN. CWSN, it means children with special need. I'm repeating, children with special need. वो बच्चे जिनको स्पेशल नीड की ज़रूरत है. इट मीन्स अडेप्टिव चिल्ड्रंस like Paralympics, Deaflympics, Olympic Bharat, these all are supporting the special children, those who are having required special needs. It means जिन्हें हम कह देते हैं those who are not having, it means जिन्हें हमने कहा कि किसी का अगर पैर में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, means they are not physically good or they are having some problem in their body like disorder, disabilities. So about these all students we will learn in this chapter. And aim of objectives of adaptive physical education means etiquettes also, how we have to deal with the CWSN, special children with special need. Next is yoga. Yoga means and importance of yoga, introduction, asana, pranayam, meditation and yogic kriyas, element of yoga. Relaxation techniques for improving concentration is Yoga Nidra. Yoga for concentration and related asanas. So students, योगा के बारे में भी हम समझें कि योग का मतलब क्या है, ये क्यों करना है. बिकॉज many students, they are facing the problem related to concentration. They are not concentrated with their goal, they are not concentrated with their topic, with their learning work. Why? How they can be very concentrative? Because of yoga, and in yoga it is meditation. So these all things also will learn in that chapter, yoga. Next chapter is physical activities and leadership training. See, physical education is making the leaders also, because we are getting the chance to be lead a team as a captain. We are getting the chance to lead as a leader in the school, in the team, in the class, wherever. So we are getting the chance to get the leadership also. Physical activity and leadership training. Here it is the creating leaders. This topic also we have to be need to learn this chapter. This topic, create leaders through the physical education. How we can do that, and all the qualities of leader and role of a leader in the world, and meaning, objectives, types of adventure sports also, that we will see in that chapter. Safety measures also related that. Chapter number 7, test, measurement and evaluation. In the physical education we will learn how we can test, measurement and evaluation. Evaluation, किसी भी चीज़ को evaluate कैसे किया जाएगा, किसी का टेस्ट लेना है तो कैसे. These all tests are related to fitness and wellness. Importance test, measurement and evaluation. Calculate of BMI, waist hip ratio. Somatotype body means body type. How many body types we are having? 3 body types. Which body is better for which game, that we will also learn. Measurement in health related fitness. These all things we will learn in this chapter. So now finally we are on the main chapter that will clarify. ये चैप्टर हमें बता देगा कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन सिर्फ खेलने से रिलेटेड नहीं है. जैसा कि इन द बिगिनिंग आई टोल्ड यू, इट इज टोटल नॉलेज ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी, whether it is movement, whether it is organs, whether it is muscles, whether it is bone. Here you can see this is the fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. Anatomy, internal study of body. In this chapter we will learn internal study, means organs, how it is working, muscle working, everything we will learn. In physiology we will learn about the physics of body. And kinesiology, we will learn about the kinesiology means movement study, how movement is going in the body. So study of movement is called kinesiology. You can see definition and importance of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. Here, function of skeleton system. Dear students, you can see function of skeleton system. This we will learn also in the physical education. So physical education is a vast subject. It's not a easy task if you will try to learn. This could be easy for the bio students, but not for the every student. Calculation of bones, classification of bones and types of joint. How many types of joint we are having, which type of bones we are having, like long bone, short bone, carpal bone, many bones we are having in our body. All knowledge we can get from the physical education. Properties of function of muscles. What is the property? Contractibility, flexibility, many 4 properties of there are the muscle. So functions of muscle, how it is functioning. Even anatomy of the muscle, how muscle is working, how ATPs are releasing from the muscles, what work is going inside the muscle, how many bends are there in the muscles, everything we will learn. So function and structure of a respiratory system. See, look at there very seriously, because from physical education we will learn respiratory system, circulatory system and equilibrium. This is related to physics. Dynamic, static, center of gravity and its application in sports. These all applications how we can apply in sports. So that's why in the beginning I told you, if we want to learn physical education, definitely we can be a doctor or we can be a physiotherapist. These are also the career in physical education that we will also discuss in first chapter. So next chapter is psychology and sports. Psychology, this word, student, this word, it is very neat, it is very ज़रूरी word है ये हम सब के लिए, because psychology, it means study of behavior or study of mind. In the field of sports, how we can study someone brain, someone mind, someone thoughts, that is the psychology. It means not only in sports. If we can learn in the field of sports, then definitely we can apply it in the general life also. So here you can see importance of psychology in physical education and sports. Differentiate between growth and development. In this topic we will learn about age group related to growth and development, in which age body is getting what type of coordination and these all things. Like one example I would like to take here. In in infancy stage 0 to 5 and in childhood they are getting the coordination between the brain and muscles, fine motor skill, gross motor skill. These all things we will learn in this chapter. Next is characteristics at different stages of development. वो सारी characteristics जो हमें अलग अलग stages में, एज की जो अलग अलग स्टेजेस हैं उनमें सीखने को मिलती हैं. Adolescence problems and their management. This topic is very necessary for us because teenagers, those who are right now, they are having many problems. Like some problem we can share here. One problem, whatever they want to do, they are not able to do. Why? Because somewhere they are not correct path. They are not on correct path. In case they are on correct path, then they are not having the power of thinking something. So these are the problem. Aggressiveness, बहुत जल्दी से गुस्से में आ जाना, because of hormones and because of changing some physiological changes in the body, like hormones and body shape, everything it is going to change. That's why these thoughts are going to change. And their management, how we can manage these all things. How we can manage? We can manage these all things through the training. The training in sports, it means meaning and concept of sports training. What is the sports training? How we can do the training, and principle of sports training. What are the principle of the sports training? Because what we are thinking, फिजिकल एजुकेशन इज लाइक दिस, इफ वी आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड स्ट्रीट क्रिकेट, गली में अगर क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं और हम सोचते हैं कि हमने फिजिकल एजुकेशन को पढ़ लिया, जान लिया, दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज if we will not play any game the particular way till the time we can't be a sportsman, we can't be fit even. एक कहावत है, एक मोटो है उस फिजिकल एजुकेशन के बारे में ये कहा जाता है, हम सोचते हैं कि किसी भी गेम को खेल के हम फिट हो सकते हैं। बड़े ध्यान से सुनिएगा, किसी भी गेम को खेल के हम फिट हो सकते हैं, ये टोटली एक मिसकंसेप्शन है, क्योंकि सच ये है किसी भी गेम को खेलने के लिए हमें फिट होना ही पड़ेगा, दिस इज नेसेसिटी। सो दिस वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम द ट्रेनिंग and training, principle of training. Here I would like to tell one, I would like to take one more example in this warming up, limbering down, skill, technique, style, concept, classification of doping. Before that I would like to tell you an example here. Till here skill, technique, style, limbering down, warming up and sports training. Leonardo da Vinci, he said that अगर एक कैप्टन शिप पे सवार हो, यानी पानी के जहाज में हो, तो उसके पास ना ही तो कंपास और ना ही रडार हो, ही नेवर कैन रीच ऑन देयर डेस्टिनेशन, वो कभी भी अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे नहीं पहुंच पाएगा। इसीलिए ये बात उन्होंने इसीलिए कही क्योंकि बिना साइंटिफिक तरीके के इफ वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, इफ वी आर ट्रेनिंग, वी कांट गेट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द ट्रेनिंग। सो दैट्स व्हाई नॉलेज ऑफ ट्रेनिंग इट इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी, that we can learn, that we have to be learn in this chapter. And next is concept and classification of doping, which type of steroids, stimulations and dope substances are there which are enhancing our performance. These are the illegal substances. These knowledge also you will get from this chapter. Next is prohibited substances, these are side effect, and these all dealing with alcohol and substances abuse. These all things we will learn in this chapter. So dear students, this was the total brief introduction of physical education related only to syllabus of 11th class, not more than it. So this much if you want to learn, definitely you have to show your interest and you have to learn, because these all things are related to our life and even our syllabus also. So in next video we will meet, next chapter will be started, changing trends in physical education. We will meet in next video. Be safe, stay at the home till the time lockdown will not be unlocked. Thank you.